Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to Matrices, and I is your presenter Jefferson. And today we are having another class under still matrices and determinants. In our last class, we were told that matrix simply refers to sets of data that are arranged in rows and columns. And we said that we can solve problems on addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices. And we gave some examples in our last videos. And today, we are going to be looking at how multiplication of matrix works. So we are going to be looking at just two examples, and then we are done with this class. So today's class again is multiplication of matrix. Now, imagine we have a question. Example 1. It says, if matrix X equal to 4, 1, 3, 2, and matrix Y equal to 1, 0, 4, 1, comma, evaluate number 1 AB. Evaluate XY, because we're using X and Y, not A. Evaluate XY, and number 2, evaluate X squared. Okay, now these are the two questions we will be solving with multiplication of matrix. Now, the matrix of X is 4, 1, 3, 2. As you can see, this is a 2 by 2 matrix because I have 2 rows and I have 2 columns. Now, matrix of X is 4, 1, 3, 2, and the matrix of Y is 1, 0, 4, 1. And then we are told to evaluate XY and X squared. Now, we all know that when you have XY, it simply means X times Y. So it means even when there is no times, there's a times, because what brings together X and Y? It is times, because X plus Y can't be added. X minus Y can't be subtracted, because they are unlike things. But X times Y is what? XY. So it means we are multiplying the matrices here. So let us begin. Now, number 1 says we should evaluate XY. Now, it simply means the matrix of X, which is 4, 1, 3, 2, times the matrix of Y, which is 1, 0, 4, 1. Okay, now let us go back to the previous videos that we made on matrices, addition and subtraction. We said that when you are adding, the first element here is added to the first element here. The second is added to the second. The first element in your second row is added also. This is how it works. But in multiplication, this is not how it works. In multiplication, when the first number here multiply the first number here, the second number don't multiply straight. The second number multiply the down number, which is the what? The down row. The first element in your what? In your second row. So if I'm multiplying, it becomes, let's go. It becomes 4 times 1 plus 1 times 4. I say the first multiply first, the second multiply down. The first multiply first, the second multiply down. Or you can say the first multiply the top, the second multiply the down. So now, if 4 times 1 is this, plus the 1 times 4 is this. Now, this 4 again multiply the top here, which is 0. So here becomes 4 times 0 plus the second multiply down, 1 times 1. Now we are done multiplying the columns here. What do? We come to the next what? The next row. Again, the first multiply top, the second multiplies down. The first multiply top, the second multiplies down. So here becomes 3 times 1 plus 2 times 4. And again, 3 times 0 plus 2 times 1. Yes, I repeat. The first multiply top, the second multiplied down. The first multiplied top, the second multiplied down. The first multiplied top, the second. That is how you go with it. Okay, now without wasting time, it becomes 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 times 4 is also 4. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 times 1 is 2. So what do we have automatically? The final answer becomes 4 plus 4 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 8 is 11. And 0 plus 2 is 2. This becomes the answer to that question. X times y. X times y. Okay, now going to question number 2, which says x squared. X squared. Now, question number 2 says we should evaluate x squared. Now, naturally, we all know under the laws of indices that we treated that x squared simply means x times x. So what does that mean? It means we are multiplying the matrix of x 2 times x times x. So it simply becomes the matrix of x 4, 1, 3, 2 times the matrix of x again 4, 1, 3, 2. Now you say, remember what we said, what we do when you multiply. The first multiply top, the second multiply down. The first multiply top, the second multiply down. So automatically here becomes 4 times 4 plus 1 times 3. And again, 4 times 1 plus 1 times 2. Now coming down, the first multiply top, the second multiply down. 3 times 4 plus 2 times 3. And 3 times 1 plus 2 times 2. Yes. So without wasting time, we have this. 4 times 4 gives us 16. Plus 1 times 3 gives us 3. And 4 times 1 gives us 4. Plus 1 times 2 gives us 2. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Plus 2 times 3 gives us 6. 3 times 1 gives us 3. Plus 2 times 2 gives us 4. Now, adding these elements together, 16 plus 3 gives us 19. 4 plus 2 gives us 4 plus 2 gives us 6. And 12 plus 6 gives us 18. Then 3 plus 4 gives us 7. This is the result when you multiply or when you evaluate x squared, which is x times x. Now, in your own time, in your only job, you can as well evaluate y raised to the power 2. Note that y raised to the power 2 simply means y times y. And when you do that, you will see the results that you will get following these steps. So class, today we have come to the end of the class, which is under multiplication of matrices. And I hope you have learned something new today. And please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share, because the more we share, the more we help others that also needs something like this. Till we meet again in our next video. My name remains Jefferson. Bye for now.